Now let's talk about the control panel, which controls all of the accessories on this boat. You'll note that bilge pumps are located on the port side of the panel. There are 3 pumps on this particular boat model. The forward pump is located at the top, labeled bilge pump 1, and is in the head compartment. Bilge pumps 2 and 3 are in the center aft bilge. When you energize one of these pumps in the manual mode, a red telltale light will come on. The rest of the accessories are labeled and backlit. When a button is pressed, these will illuminate a blue light when they are energized. We have a bait light switch. This switch turns on the lights that are installed in the various bait wells on this boat. We have macerator 1. This is a pump that evacuates water from the fish box that's in the aft cockpit. We have 2 spare buttons that are available for aftermarket installations. The freshwater switch activates the freshwater pump that supplies water to the washdown on the starboard side and the head compartment. Pushing the freshwater button also activates the freshwater shower that's in the port aft cockpit. We have a saltwater pump switch. This activates a saltwater pump that allows you to wash down while you're fishing. The windlass switch energizes the entire windlass system. This is the first step in using the windlass. We have a switch for underwater lights. This activates the lights that are installed just in front of the motors and shine aft. Macerator 2 will evacuate any water or fish remains that may be in the on-deck coffin box forward of the console. The hardtop light energizes the 4 color lights that are on the underside of the hardtop. To get the various colors, you press the switch multiple times. We have a spreader light switch. This operates the small spreader lights that are on the corners of the aft end of the hardtop. There's a parallel switch that allows the batteries to be paralleled. If you're ever in a situation where the engine doesn't start, you press the parallel switch and it ties the batteries together so that you can start the engine. The nav light switch turns on the red and green running lights as well as the aft anchor/stern light. You'll press that once to make the nav lights come on. The anchor light turns on the anchor light that's on the aft end of the hardtop. You'll use this while you're at anchor at night. The cabin light switch allows you to have light in the head compartment. You'll turn that on and then turn the auxiliary switch in the head compartment on to illuminate that area. The cockpit light switch turns on the lights that are beneath the gunnels and give you light while you're walking around in the dark.